Nakakapagod talaga. Ito, this is our driver. So he is so exhausted na. So, he's so slow. They are so slow. Hello. Say hello, Mamang driver.
Mamang driver, say hello.
Mamang driver, say hello. We are vloggers. We are in the circle of joy, but there's no joy in here. You know, I found no joy. How's the driving, Mr. Driver?
Okay lang.
By the way, our driver is a Bisaya people, and that's why he looks like a Bisaya, or they call it Bisaya. So we have left our opponent far away, so they cannot follow us anymore because our driver is very good. Meet the Brando. Bye. Please subscribe to my page. This is the part. This is the part of my vlog. This is our opponent. They've been left behind for 5 minutes. Now they are catching up with us. Oh, look! There's a monkey riding a bike. Hey, monkey! Are you riding a bike, monkey? So, how's the riding? Hey, this is the Mamang driver of the opponent bike. How are you? Anong kaka? Bye.